light on light, you have nothing. If you have dark on dark, you basically have nothing. There we are. You know, it's like in life. You got to have a little sadness once in a while so you know when the good times come. I'm waiting on the good times now.
Far too young, never set my flight for the sun.
No, we need to go, dude. Hey. Dude, it's freaking go time, bro.
I'm ready. My eyes are burning. Who got up in the middle of the night and made me
There you go. That's what I'm looking for.
You guys engaged or like what?
What would you rather be doing, bro? Sweating your ass off, hiking up a mountain, or sleeping on the couch right now?
I wish it was a cooler hike.
So, the boat can't pull all the way up to the beach, so they have to put all their stuff in a dry bag. But this is good. This is the pre-rec training for Survivor, dude.
We're currently on our hike back. What's it called? Rat's Hole?
Ram's Head, dude.
Okay, Ram's Head hike. We're at the top of there.
And there's only one person on this boat that knows how to sail. The rest of us have no clue what's going on. We're sailing into the wind, and there's about 5-foot swells out here, so we'll see how this goes.